he so it was me as the best disc golfer from Waverly, and he would edit it and say that he was, and we would just went back and forth.
I'm kind of scared of that game. Give me something new, she says.
What'd you lose?
He's
What you looking for?
Dylan. No, that's not this one. Just kidding. Dylan. That's Todd. I can't see it from the flowers, can you? You trying to do it with your finger? You don't want her growing up thinking you're a monkey. Every time she sees you, she's just gonna go, ooh, ooh, ooh. She's
Makes her happy.
She's so funny, cousin. Oh my goodness.
Oh, she's
Stare down.
What was that?
What the? Look at the stare.
That's a weird laugh, God. Help him out.
That sounded a little forced.
A little bit fake there.
Now she's trying to do your thing, Dylan. Do it again.
What?
Like while you were doing the thing. See? She's trying to do it.
You can do that. She's trying to teach you a trick, Dylan. I don't like that one. Do this.
Boom, boom, boom.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.